Hello everyone, welcome again, and in this lesson I'll teach you human memory. What is human memory? Human memory is our ability to encode, store, and retrieve information. Human memory is like a library and the mind is you. You will be the one who will work to create and recall data in your brain. There are two things to do to remember: verbal memory and visual memory. What is verbal memory? Verbal memory is a memory of words that comes out in the form of sound. It is just like when we are talking and hearing sounds into a speaker and other that involves language. What is visual memory? Visual memory is our ability to recall visual information that we've seen. When we are seeing things, we remember what it is look like. Another way is to handwriting. When there's are a lot of words that comes out for someone who talks to you and then you write the keyword so that you will remember what he or she is talking about. For example, in a meeting, you don't need to write all of what he said. All you need to do is a keyword to remember every details in a meeting. And that's it guys. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.